Subject English Grammar. Topic Articles. Now we are going to look at certain rules to use a and an. There are certain exceptions to the rules that we have already learned. Let us see what these exceptions are. The first rule: some words begin with the consonant H but have a vowel sound in the beginning. Now, what is the meaning of this? Now, as you can see here, this word is R, okay? We pronounce it as R. We don't say har. The beginning alphabet or letter H is silent, okay? And while pronouncing it, we say R. The same way, this word, we say honest man. We don't say honest. Here, H, this letter is silent. So the beginning H is silent in these words. These words are used with the article an. Now, because we start with the vowel sound, while pronouncing this word, we say an R. Same with this word, honest. Although it begins with H, while pronouncing it, we pronounce it from O and we say honest. That is why we say an honest man. Now we are looking at the second exception to the rule of using a and an. Some words begin with a vowel but have a consonant sound in the beginning. So if you look at these words, university, union, European, they begin with the vowel U and the vowel E, correct? But while pronouncing them, we say university, union, European. Okay? These words are written with the vowels U or E, but they begin with the consonant sound U. These words are used with the article a. We say a university, a union, a European. That is why it is important to remember when we use the articles a or an, we hear the sounds that they come before, and according to that, we place them. So look at the words here. A horse. We are pronouncing it as horse. We are not saying horse. A hand. A hat. So we are pronouncing the letters H here. That is why we are using a. We are using the article a. On the other hand, here we are saying an heir, an honor. So here the sound H is not pronounced. Similarly, here also the alphabet or letter H is not pronounced. We begin by pronouncing from the second alphabet, the vowel sound, heir, honor. That is why we say an heir, an honor. Okay, this was the first exception to the rule. Let us look at the second exception. Here we are saying an umbrella, an urn. The sound is a sound here. Umbrella, urn. Okay, here we say a U-turn, a unicorn. So here, although it is a vowel, but the sound is a U sound. Similarly, here also the vowel is U, but the sound is unicorn, U sound. So that is why we say a unicorn. Now, the article the is used before the following names of mountains and mountain ranges. Okay, we say the Himalayas, we say the Alps, the Andes. Okay, these are all names of mountains and mountain ranges. Then we have names of rivers like the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Hooghly. The names of famous buildings or monuments like the Taj Mahal, we have the Red Fort, we have the Eiffel Tower. We use the before names of things that are one of a kind, like the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. Okay, we have the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky. Then we use it before names of holy books like the Bible, the Gita, the Quran. We use the before names of groups of islands like the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, the Canary Islands. Okay. And the last place that we use the is nouns that are already talked about. We use them before nouns that are already talked about. For example, there is a frog in the well. We're talking about a frog, okay? And when we want to repeat talking about that frog, we say the frog is big. So when we say the frog here, we know we are speaking about this frog that we had already spoken before about. My brother has a bat. The bat is heavy. So when I say the bat, I'm referring to the bat that my brother has, and we have spoken about it before. Let us now fill in the blanks with the correct article. Let us use a, an, or the. There was dash waiter standing near dash next table. There was a waiter standing near the next table. There was dash question I wanted to ask dash maths. So we say there was a question I wanted to ask the maths teacher. Do you have dash old car or dash new one? Do you have an old car or a new one? Dash Bible is the holy book of the Christians. Correct? The Bible is the holy book of the Christians. I had dash nice dream. I had a nice dream. I saw my friends give me chocolates in dash dream. I had a nice dream. I saw my friends give me chocolates in the dream. We're talking about that particular dream. Dash moon is very bright tonight. The moon is very bright tonight. I eat dash apple every morning for breakfast. I eat an apple every morning for breakfast. Dash River Narmada finally joins Dash Arabian Sea. The river Narmada finally joins the Arabian Sea. My neighbor is Dash policeman. My neighbor is a policeman. Dash Vindhyas is a range of mountains in Gujarat. The Vindhyas is a range of mountains in Gujarat. So here we have a fun activity. Okay, so you can see many fish here and they have words written on them, and you have to see where they fit a, an, or the. So let's take animal. It will be an animal. Orange, an orange. Cycle, a cycle. An elephant, a church. a tree, a lion, an owl, a branch, a box, an onion, an ox, the Godavari, the Bible, a banana, a cow, an airport, a nurse, an egg, an ant, an eraser, an engineer, an injury, an ostrich, a coat, the moon, the sun, the sky, a bench. Okay, so if you have got it correct, you can check soon. So here are your answers. Okay, according to the vowel and consonant sounds, we have placed them in the A box or in the AN box, and we have placed the words which are unique, which are special, in the box.